Kailan ka ba huling pinasalamatan? Anak, kailan mo ba huling naramdaman na pinapansin ka ng partner mo sa negosyo? Yung na-appreciate ang effort mo. You might see yourself in Marlon. Si Marlon at si Ellen have been running a fire safety equipment business together. 9 years na. And si Marlon, almost everything karga niya. Operations, clients, solving problems, making decisions. 12-hour days. Sometimes mas mahaba pa. He made sure that everything ran smoothly for the team, for the clients, for the business. Si Ellen naman, she helped here and there, mostly in the background. Marlon did not mind doing more. He expected teamwork lang. Pero ano yung nakasakit sa kanya? Yung silence. Wala man lang thank you. Wala man lang I see how hard you are working. Wala man lang acknowledgement. When milestones were reached, Ellen would celebrate. But she never said, Marlon, this is because of you. And when things went wrong, she asked, anong nangyari? As if he was not fully responsible enough. As if he was not the one carrying the weight. Kaya isang gabi, sabi ni Marlon quietly kay Ellen, Ellen, napapansin mo ba how much I do for this business? And Ellen looked at him surprised and say, what do you mean? Eto, lahat ng to, keeping things running, solving problems, habang ikaw, meron kang mga free time. So, hindi nakasagot si Ellen. Hindi niya na-realize how invisible his effort felt. Kaya anak, ito ang lesson. Effort without acknowledgement feels meaningless. Kapag hindi nakita ng partner mo, hindi pinapahalagahan ang sakripisyo mo, sisimulan mo rin itanong sa sarili mo, bakit ako nag-iisa dito? And that, quietly, slowly, eats away at your heart. Even if the business looks fine on the outside. Anak, ang effort sa negosyo should be shared. But when one partner pours everything while the other coasts along, that's when partnerships break. Hindi dahil sa pera, hindi dahil sa strategy, but because of feeling alone in something that was supposed to be together. So, tingnan mo ang partnership ninyo ngayong linggong ito. Ask yourself honestly, is one of you exhausted while the other is comfortable? Does your partner always have excuses for not showing up? Are you the only one who worries and loses sleep? When was the last time yung partner mo na nag-acknowledge ng effort mo? And if you answered yes to any of these, anak, it's time to talk. Not to accuse, not to attack, but to finally be honest about what is happening. Because a business built by one person pretending to be two will eventually break, and so will be the people in it. Your effort deserves to be seen. Your sacrifice deserves to be acknowledged. And you deserve a real partner. Hindi lang isang pangalan on the papers. So, sabihin mo sa akin, anak, sa comments, have you experienced this? And how are you dealing with it? Remember, anak, what a partnership truly is. And always be business-minded, Pinoy.